Makeup tutorial for beginners. First, face primer to prime the face. Next is foundation. Concealer to conceal and highlight the face. Darker shade of that, the same concealer to contour. Cream blush. Press powder to set the highlights. Darker shade of that, the same press powder to set the contour. Translucent setting powder to bake. Powder blush to set the cream blush. Brows. Concealer to clean up the brows. Eyeshadow primer to prime the eyes. For eyeshadow, a brown shade for the crease. Blend the edges. A golden shade for the lid, for the eyelid. Black eyeliner for the waterline. Then the brown shade for the under eye. Eyeliner pen to line the eyes. Black eyeliner pen to line the eyes. Mascara. False lash. Dust off the eyeshadow fallout and powder. Blend everything together. Set the face with makeup fixing spray. Line the lips with black lip liner. Lip gloss. Darker shade of that, the same lip gloss to line the lips. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.